On the car.
This?
Turn around, yep.
Am I feeling the brake?
No, foot on the brake. No, keep it off the brake. Okay. Now press the belt and again turn it on.
Turn it back on again?
Yep. Press it there.
Okay.
Yep. Just program. Success. Press escape because we're not doing another one.
Escape, where's that at? Over there?
Yep. Remove the key. Perfect. Press OK. And
Press it again?
Yep. And then, yep, press OK.
Turn on this again?
Yep.
Just push it?
Yep. Perfect. Press OK.
Remove the key and the automatic turn off. Take it out?
Yep. Press OK. Same thing, insert. Put the key in. And then turn it on. Press OK. Pull the key out. Press OK. And then just hit the unlock on button on the remote. There you go. You're all done. You can unplug.
It's okay again?
Yep, if you want to. It's all done. All right, bring me the key. I'll cut the door key.
You got an air pump in there, a compressor?
No, actually, kind of, sort of. I have this.
Is it at a time?
It's got a compressor in there. The little one looks like.
I want to put my fishing fly in there.
No, it has I never actually used it, but it has like a small little air pump.
I got two of them at home.
Really? I need it.
I use it.
You need to turn the car on to do it.
Huh?
You'll turn the car on because it plugs into the cigarette lighter. It looks like, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you run it off of your car. All the tires run flat. Yeah, you should tell me when I was at home because I got a good one I could have brought. You got the key? There you go.
That's saying like he want to go on there.
Really? Let me see. I think it's the opposite. I think you do it.